Hey guys, you all know that I absolutely love eating rice. For me, any good basmati rice needs to be aged, and for those people who are really conscious about eating rice because they think that it's got a lot of carbs, I'm going to showcase one of the methods that I prefer if I need to reduce the number of carbs in the rice. It's called the boiling method. Quite simple. I've just got a cup of rice that you should wash 3 to 4 times to get those excess starches out. Soak it for about 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna drain this rice and then put it into the boiling water and start the cooking method. Boiling method of cooking rice is one of the best ways of having a healthy product. So here goes. I've got the water on boil here and I have drained this wonderful aged basmati rice. I'm now going to put this rice into the boiling water. What's important to know here is this is how rice was cooked in a lot of families back in India. The great thing about this rice is that it's aged. Aging rice changes its chemical structure, makes it firmer. So by the time it's cooked, each grain is individual and not stuck and clogged. So the best basmati rice is the one that's aged for definitely a year or more. As your rice is boiling in the water, just stir it gently so that it does not sit at the bottom and actually gets cooked evenly. Once you do that, make sure you don't overstir or stir it hard. That tends to break the rice grains. As the rice gets cooked, it'll just start to come up at the surface. That's your cue that the rice is about to be done, and it'll cook for perhaps another 4 to 5 minutes. Depending on the medium that you're using to cook this rice, it could take from 10 minutes to 20. I'm using an induction, it should be sooner. This is a gorgeous aged basmati rice. So you'll actually see each grain going twice its size. That's a spectacle to see. This is the first stage of doing the rice. It's definitely cooked. Best thing to do is to just take a few grains, check them. If it seems like it's got a bit of a bite, that's perfectly fine. But now, the important bit, making the rice healthy. You're gonna take the rice and just put it into a colander. Now all the carbs in the rice have come out in this water, and this is how a lot of families in India used to cook rice before the onset of rice cookers or pressure cookers. Just make sure that the rice gets strained well. Don't worry, there might be some water still left. That's perfectly all right, because what we're going to do next is finish the rice off. So we've just put it back into the pot. Now I'm just gonna fluff the rice up a little bit. It's best to do it with a fork, but you can already see that each and every grain is nice, fluffy, really long, and it's almost falling down individually. It's not gluggy at all. It'll look a little wet at this point of time, but that is what we're trying to finish off. Take a towel and just cover the rice up. We'll put a lid on it, and on a very gentle heat, we're going to let it cook or steam for 4 more minutes or 5 more minutes, and we'll be done. Let's see what happens now. Wow, it's cooked, and as you see, each and every grain is just popping out. Let's try it. That's yum. I'm gonna plate it up, eat this with something really nice, and I'll see you guys soon with another amazing recipe. Bye for now.